A Car OBD2 scanner diagnoses engine issues, monitors performance, and prevents costly repairs efficiently. Today's video is about top 5 best Car OBD2 scanner that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Yakry Car OBD2 Scanner. This professional OBD2 scanner is an essential tool for any car owner, offering fast fault and battery diagnosis to pinpoint engine or electrical issues in as little as 3 minutes. It combines full OBD2 diagnostics with an advanced 12V battery health test, measuring SOH, internal resistance, CCA, and other key indicators, helping prevent costly guesswork and unnecessary repairs. Ideal for pre-trip safety scans, winter battery checks, or used car inspections, it features a beginner-friendly icon-guided interface for easy understanding of your vehicle's condition. Unlike basic code readers, this device supports 13 languages and provides a 2.8-inch HD color screen, live data streams, curve graphs, and a built-in DDC definition library, making fault codes and live data clear at a glance. Trusted by over 100,000 drivers, it supports comprehensive fault reading and clearing across key systems, reducing maintenance costs. Why compatibility with most 12V gasoline vehicles, plug-and-play operation, an 18-month warranty, and gift-ready packaging make it a practical, reliable, and thoughtful choice for any driver. Now our second product is Motopower Car OBD2 Scanner. The Motopower Multifunction OBD2 Code Reader is a versatile and practical diagnostic tool for car owners seeking a clear understanding of their vehicle's performance. Equipped with a built-in OBD2 DTC lookup library, it helps identify the cause of the check engine light, read and erase codes, view freeze frame data, monitor real-time curves, vehicle speed, engine load, and coolant temperature. Supporting 9 protocols, it is compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and newer OBD2 can domestic or import vehicles, and offers 6 language options including English, German, Spanish, and French. The 2.8-inch LCD display with adjustable backlight ensures clear visibility, while the compact design and 2.5-foot flexible cable make it easy to handle. Though it does not support ABS, airbag, or oil service lights, it efficiently handles all OBDI engine codes. Powered directly through the OBDII port, with screen protection film and customer support, this scanner delivers reliable, user-friendly diagnostics for DIY car maintenance. Our third product is Ancel Car OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel AD410 OBD2 Scanner is a reliable, user-friendly diagnostic tool trusted by YouTube star Scotty Kilmer. Offering wide compatibility, it supports all 16-pin OBDI vehicles, including KWP 2000, ISO 9141, J1850 VPW/PWM, and CAN protocols, covering 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and newer Asian cars, SUVs, and light trucks. Multilingual support, English, German, French, Spanish, etc., makes it ideal for international users. Powered directly from the vehicle's OBDI port, no battery or charger is needed. The scanner allows users to quickly read and clear engine fault codes, with over 42,000 built-in DTC lookups, eliminating the need for online searches. Advanced OBDI diagnostics include O2 sensor tests and EVAP system leak detection, improving fuel efficiency and reducing emissions. While it does not support ABS, SRS, or transmission systems, it excels at engine code monitoring, featuring a 2.4-inch TFT color display with an intuitive UI. The AD410 provides clear, easy-to-read results. Simple plug-and-play operation, combined with Ancel's 10 years of expertise and continuous updates, makes this scanner perfect for beginners, enthusiasts, and mechanics alike. Now number 4, Ancel Car OBD2 Scanner. The Ancel AD310 OBD2 Scanner is a reliable, user-friendly tool for car owners and DIY enthusiasts, recommended by YouTube mechanic Scotty Kilmer. Known as the CEL Doctor, it quickly identifies the cause of a check engine light and allows users to read and clear emission system codes, view live data, hard memory, freeze frame, I/M monitor readiness, and collect vehicle information. Built for durability and portability, the AD310 features a 2.5-foot thick, flexible cable, weighs just 12 ounces, and measures 8.9 by 6.9 by 1.4 inches. Its compact design and clearly labeled buttons make it easy to use in transport, while the large, easy-to-read screen ensures results are visible at a glance, supporting all major OBDI protocols, including KWP 2000, J1850 VPW/PWM, ISO 9141, and CAN. It is compatible with most 1996 US-based, 2000 EU-based, and newer Asian vehicles, like trucks, SUVs, and domestic or foreign cars. Powered directly from the OBDII port, the AD310 is accurate, fast, and an essential home or travel diagnostic tool for emission-related engine issues. And our last choice is Vdiagtool Car OBD2 Scanner. The Vdiagtool D200 bidirectional OBD2 scanner is a professional-grade diagnostic tool designed for serious DIYers, home car owners, and technicians. Offering lifetime free software updates, it continuously expands vehicle coverage and adds new features, keeping your scanner compatible with vehicles from 1996 onward. This advanced tool provides full bidirection control, allowing you to test fuel pumps, relays, injectors, cooling fans, windows, and more directly from the ECU, reducing guesswork and confirming repairs faster. With OE-level full system diagnostics, the D200 accesses all major systems including engine, transmission, ABS, SRS, and BCM, delivering accurate fault codes and live data. Its real-time graphing supports up to 8 PIDs, making it easy to detect performance trends, intermittent faults, and sensor issues. The scanner also includes 26 essential reset and relearn functions, from oil reset to TPMS, covering most daily maintenance needs. Optional upgrades expand to 49 plus advanced resets, 100 plus vehicle-specific functions, and J2534 pass-through programming, offering professional-level capabilities. With wide vehicle coverage, CAN FD support, and FCA AutoAuth compatibility, the D200 is a versatile, future-ready tool for modern cars. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.